What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. We got 2005 Chrysler 300, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. First thing we want to do is take our panel removal tool, come here in the side, and pow-da-da-da-da. You want to come up a little bit more, splat-da-da-da-da. This is the part right after here, boom. This one right here, you want to come over here, pow. This one on the left side, and this one right here, right at the top. Now all we have to do is disconnect some harnesses, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips. So let me take some of this stuff off real quick. Just take some of these harnesses out the back. All right, now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and take these Phillips out. And then once you do that, we got 1 harness, 2 antennas, and this big bastard is out of the car. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wire the radio up. If you want to know how to wire up a radio, then you want to hit that car right there in the corner. Other than that, all the parts will be linked in the description, because you're gonna need a 996510 for the dash kit, RP4CH11, that's the pack harness, is gonna actually take care of retaining your steering wheel controls, and a 40CR10 for your antenna adapter. All those parts will be linked in the description below, but let me go ahead and wire this thing up so I can get you guys going. All right, y'all, so that's just about it, man. Got everything wired back up. This is a nice gloss on the dash kit. Like I said, all the parts will be linked in the description. This is the JVC KWR930 BTS, and with that pack piece, we were able to just plug it into the back, and all our steering wheel controls work perfectly fine. So if you guys found any value in this video on actually how to take the radio out, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it on all your forums and let everybody know how to take the radio out and all that kind of stuff. Until next car, this is JP signing out, baby. See you next time.